Grabe, bardagulan. Dalawa sa pinakapaborito ko currently na female OPM singers ay nag-duet. Laika Estrella and Mariel Montellano. Pakinggan po natin. Let's go.
Isang mic.
Ikaw din pala.
Beautiful. Nice. Nice harmony. Nice. Galing talaga din eh. Nice. Nice. Talagang malalaman mo, no, yung difference ng atake ng tone nila, no, ng style nila. Ang galing. Partida impromptu lang to, ah. Beautiful. Nice. Galing ni Laika dun, ah. Nice. Grabe, bardagulan. Nice. Pero feeling ko, birit na birit si Laika dun eh. Nagigil din si Laika dun eh. Ito, siya naman. Nice. Ang galing. Hands down. Nice. Grabe, ang galing. Galing talaga. Nice. So obviously, nakita natin, narinig natin yung difference ng tone quality nila and style. But both of them, no, talagang masasabi ko, sila yung dalawang champions ng isang singing competition na talagang deserve nila maging grand champion. No, nakita natin yung style ni Mariel, no, na hindi talaga siya nagpakabog. Although si Laika naman is, alam naman natin na talagang she's more on that strong attack, no, and mas may diin yung boses niya kasi yung style niya is talagang birit ng birit, no, very diva. Ito naman si Mariel is more of like the hybrid type, no, na for me a hybrid type siya kasi yung tone quality and style niya pwede siyang Moira kasi she has this capability to, dyan lang siya sa mga soft tones niya, no, and she has that quality sa boses, sa tone niya na talagang malumanay, very soft, very sweet, and she also has a powerful belt, no, yung belting niya talagang solid din. But Laika is leaning towards more of like Regine Velasquez, Morissette Amon, mga ganon. So these are two different kinds of singers, but both of them really has a distinct tone quality and style. So impromptu pa to but talagang yung harmony dito, harmonization, yung blending on point, walang parang nag-aagawan moment. Talagang ano lang, bardagulan lang ng pakonti-konti, but both of them had this mutual respect sa duet na to, and that's a very mature thing to have as a singer, no? Yung hindi yung bida-bida lagi. Okay, so that's it, and hope you guys enjoy the one kasi ako nag-enjoy talaga ako. Nice!